My name is Katie Cope, and I work for Nalco Water, which is an Ecolab company. Ecolab is a global leader for water management, hygiene services, and energy technologies and services. A big part in power plants is the condenser. The condenser really is the heart of a power plant operation from a production efficiency standpoint. And so the ability to extract data from the PI historian in a power plant and action that data has enabled us to better partner with our customers to be more proactive. A particular example is a customer experienced a scaling event which cost them lost revenue from lost generation. Having the predictive capabilities would have enabled us to predict the event up to 5 months prior to experiencing it, resulting in significant ROI for the customer. Working with OSIsoft has really been a good collaboration. It's enabled us to really put the chemistry piece of our customers' operations with their engineering approach, marry them together to really show how chemistry and engineering from a water management perspective have significant impact on operations. We've been remote monitoring through our System Assurance Center for years. This has given us the ability to now predict so that we can go in now more proactively versus going in after the fact and really looking at the data and troubleshooting an issue. So not only has this allowed us to troubleshoot from a remote space, but now we're smarter, better, faster when we go in and talk with the customer in regards to what the issues are. I'm Katie Cope, and that's my PI story.